So activities of late have been sparingly with the car. So here's a little montage to show you what's been going on. At least after I finish the Camaro anyway. Look pretty good together. So first up, we took the car out to Johnny B's. The first show of the year. It was a little late for us for getting started on the shows, but better late than never, and this is our favorite Saturday night event. So it was a good showing, about 400 cars I think it was, maybe 500. That was pretty packed anyway.
Red Rock cooler, they must have something to
Front, but probably won't be able to see it. The front bushing there, squeaky.
Yeah, you can hear that.
I lubed all the back ones thinking it was the back and it's the front.
Oh, is it?
Yeah.
Well, there you go. Something else you can do. Although you hear it a little more dramatically on grass than probably you do on the roads.
Yeah, Massa said it was in the front, but I think it's in, well, maybe it's in the front.
The rest of it's okay.
I just like these big sweepers on this one. that's about it for this episode. Didn't have a chance to really get out much in the car out of this one trip. The timing this month didn't work out. We had things going on, or the weather didn't cooperate. They got me out camping again. That you'll see in the end bits as usual. And I was playing with the drone and found out what happens when I play with the drone with the dog, and dog wins. So, anyways, that's about it for this episode. So, make sure you catch the end bits and see what happens to my drone. It works. See ya. As you can see, they got me camping again. The beach is over those trees behind me. Look at the view of the sound this side. Flip you around. Not exactly comfortable. So this was my third or fourth flight with the drone, and you can see this is their back pond, and there's Copper down there, the bottom left there. He's not crazy about this thing, so he's been keeping an eye on it the whole time I had it up. It was well above the house. I can't remember how high it was, but it's about as high as I could get it. And he just kept an eye on it the whole time, basically staying right under it. And here you can see he's taking off past the house, past the pool there. And you'll see in a second he headed up in, and I was reviewing this footage afterwards, and I didn't realize what he was doing, but you'll see him here. He's at the very top of the screen. He's just sitting there, but he took off into the house, or up the stairs here in a second. You'll see him. I get a little wind gust somewhere around here too, I remember, and it was hard keeping control of it for a bit. And it makes a lot of noise when it does that, and it kind of throws him off. There it is. So anyways, he's not too crazy about it. So he comes up the stairs. I'm still looking at the drone, trying to figure out what to do. And I'm watching this footage just a minute ago, and I realized I had my lunch on that on the back there, some scraps from it. He got it, went in the house. You little goof.
Why does she keep looking at you?
I don't know. Why is she looking at me?
Don't bite the box!
I think he's got a mole. Yep, something's jumping there. Dougie vacation. Copper.